Hi mga kapika! At welcome na naman po sa aking YouTube channel! At nandito na naman po tayo sa aking makeup tutorial with a lip sync. So ito na! Ayan, bago ko mag-start, binabati ko muna syempre yung mga nag-comment at nagpapa-shoutout sa kamakailan kong ginawa na yung ginaya ko si Soyang, kahit marami nagsabi kamukha ko doon si Vibery.
Eddie, wow!
So ito na, binabati ko nga po pala, ayan, ang masugid naming commentator at subscriber, Madam Lilibet, ayan, sabi niya, ganda mo, maha. And of course, kay Eco Manzano Vlog, ayan, actually, masawig ka kay Kevin Balot. Kevin Balot, ang ganda ko na masyado. Ayan, at saka siyempre kay Roberto Kakananta, ayan, mga masugid namin. Kasi pati kay shoutout sa'yo, Francis Losada Mifa. Ayan, sabi niya, parang si Vibery nga. O, tapos, ito naman, si MC Borgonya, ganda naman ni Becky Monmaha. Ayan. At, ito rin, number 1 namin, si Christine Padrigone. Ayan, shoutout sa'yo, sabi niya, ganda niya po. Tapos, ito pa, sabi niya, dami kong tawag, go mga kubrador. The Rocky Terrace Vlog, ayan. Shoutout din sa'yo, ayan. Kay Leia Patilyada, ang social ni Mama. Keep safe, sabi niya. And of course, sa ating ginawang Lady Gaga. Ayan, dito ako na masyadong, na-pressure kasi nga hindi ko alam kung magiging kamukha ko ba siya. Siyempre, sa lahat mo ng mga natutuwa sa aking makeup tutorial with a lip sync, maraming salamat po. At sa mga hindi rin naman na natutuwa at na-satisfy sa aking ginaya, for fun lang naman to, na hindi, sorry po kung hindi ko po nakuha yung satisfaction nyo, but I'll try pa din na gumawa ng mahasa po ako sa pagme-makeup at magaya rin namin. Magaya ko talaga kung sino yung pinoportrait ko. Pero sa lahat mo ng manonood ng aking video, wag po kayong mag-expect kung magiging kamukha talaga namin. Kasi gusto lang naman namin maghatid ng kaligayahan sa inyo. Ayan. So ito na, shoutout din ako kay kay Full Movies. Ayan, nagpapa-shoutout siya. Pati kay John Lester Hosapat, ang aming mga masugid na subscriber at follower. Ayan. So, eto na. Meron akong guest for tonight. Oo, nagkaroon ka agad ako ng guest, di ba? At hindi niyo to kilala, for sure. Hindi niyo to kilala. Tawagin na natin siya. Charan!
Hi!
Puta ka, ikaw lang pala yan.
Maraming salamat dahil in-invite mo ako dito sa vlog mo, Miss Becky Monmaha.
Si Becky Monshen.
Hello po.
So, i-dare natin siya ngayon.
Mga kapika.
I-dare natin siya ngayon.
Ay, ano yan?
So, gusto mo rin bang mag-makeup tutorial with a lip sync?
Yes, alam mo, napanood ko nga yun. Di ba, nasa bahay ako. Napapanood ko siya, pinapanood ko siya, at nag-comment ako, ang galing mo dun, so.
Pero marunong ka mag-makeup?
Hindi. Siyempre, andyan ka naman as my cousin, di ba?
So, yes. Kaya niya naman siguro mag-lip sync, pero I'll try na ako mag-makeup sa kanya. Gagayahin mo si...
Sino yan? Kinakabahan ako. Catherine Bernardo.
Hindi. Feeling ko kasi mataba ka. Mag-Hollywood tayo. Huwag kang Catherine Bernardo. Huwag kang mag-local. Hindi bagay sa'yo. Dahil makapayat ng mga singer dito.
Ay! Celine Dion.
Payat Celine Dion. Mga matataba. Jimmy Santos. Joke
Ano
lang.
ba yun?
Hindi mga mga
Santos
Hollywood. Katulad nilang ni Jennifer Holiday. O Jennifer Hudson.
Ay, hindi ko kilala sila. Kilala ko lang si Jennifer Lopez. Ayun na lang.
Gaga, masyado yung maganda. Hindi bagay sa iyo. Dapat sa'yo, Damulag.
First blood.
Snorlax.
Double kill.
Hindi. Kasi na lang. Total, alam mo yung kanta ni Someone Like You. Ni Adele.
Ni Adele. Yes.
Alam mo yung kanta niya? I'll go. So, ready na ba kayo? Ikaw, ready ka na ba?
Yes, ready.
So, let's go to Makeup with a Lip Sync.
that you settled down, that you found a girl and you're married now. I heard that your dreams came true. Guess you gave me things I didn't give to you. Oh, friend, why are you so shy? Ain't like you to hold back or hide from the light. I hate to turn up out of the blue uninvited, but I couldn't stay away. I couldn't fight it. I had hoped you'd see my face and that you'd be reminded that for me it isn't over. Never mind, I'll find someone like you. There's nothing but the best for you too. Don't forget me, I think I'll remember you say. Sometimes it lasts and loves, but sometimes it hurts instead. Sometimes it lasts and loves, but sometimes it hurts instead. You know how the time flies on me. Yesterday was the time of our lives. We were born and raised in a summer haze, bound by the prize of our glory days. I hate to turn up out of the blue uninvited, but I couldn't stay away. I couldn't fight it. I had hoped you'd see my face and that you'd be reminded that for me it isn't over. Never mind, I'll find someone like you. Wish nothing but the best for you too. Don't forget me, I think I'll remember you say. Sometimes it lasts in love, but sometimes it hurts instead. Nothing compares, no worries or cares, regrets and mistakes, their memories made. You would have known how bittersweet this would taste. Never mind, I'll find someone like you. I wish nothing but the best for you. Don't forget me, I think I'll remember you say. Sometimes it lasts in love, but sometimes it hurts instead. Never mind, I'll find someone like you. I wish nothing but the best for you too. Don't forget me, I think I'll remember you say. Sometimes it lasts in love, but sometimes it hurts instead. Sometimes it lasts in love, but sometimes it hurts instead.
Caught in the crossfire. Caught in the crossfire.